Activity ramping up at the site of the new Bob Hall Pier at Padre Bay Park on Padre Island. The $28+ million project will replace the old pier, heavily damaged beyond repair during 2020's Hurricane Hannah.
Yeah, but what you see being constructed right now is not actually the pier, at least not yet. Our Bill Churchwell checked in with officials on the project and explains.
If you plan on coming out to Padre Island over the holiday week, you might want to distance yourself from the construction project underway. That's because it can get loud at times. In fact, it's so loud that crews were handing out earplugs to beachgoers in the area. But those we spoke with didn't seem to mind. They're just counting the days until the new Bob Hall Pier is completed. You could call it the sound of progress.
You hear it, and about a second later, the vibration's right below your feet. That's pretty cool.
Beachgoers getting a front row view as construction crews drive columns into the ground. Those who have been patiently waiting for the resurrection of Bob Hall Pier.
Yeah, man, brand new pier, restaurant, they're gonna have a bait shop, everything. It's gonna be definitely better than it was before.
But County Commissioner Brent Chesney explains the construction you see today isn't on the pier itself, but rather a trestle that will stretch out into the Gulf and be an important tool in the building process.
Yeah, 960 linear feet out, and then they'll use that to build the pier next to it, right? So it's a pretty, in-depth process, and you're hearing it, you're seeing it.
He says the track will be used to allow easy access for machinery and workers. The pier to be built to the left of the trestle, bigger, longer, stronger.
And then next to the building will be the pier, and the pier will go out into the ocean.
Chesney telling us the project is on track and on budget, which means this time next year, the iconic fishing and surfing spot will be back in business.
I know it's going to be a long time, but the fact that they've started is, it keeps us going out here.
Bill Churchwell, 3 News.